Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting and ending hour, add location over here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner of the pop-up and make your changes. Then just save one more time. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner as well and choose delete. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!